guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amarta Rupani, and in today's video I am going to give some of the super important updates regarding the NOC code which has been introduced by IRCC yesterday on November 16th. Everyone with a current express entry profile needs to know this information. However, if you have already received an ITA, then you do not need to make any changes and you must submit your application for PR by using same NOC 2016 code that you used initially to create your profile for express entry. So if you are still in express entry pool and you haven't received your ITA yet, then you must sign into your express entry profile and must update the NOC code with the new TEER system. Guys, if you do not update this information, then you will not be eligible for the next express entry draws because now it is a requirement. I wanted to show you the steps to update your express entry profile with the new TEER system. However, I'm not able to log into my express entry profile. It's maybe because many people are trying to update their NOC in their profile. So anyways, it is a super easy process to update it. So guys, just keep on trying to log into your account, and once you log in, then click the work history and you should be able to update it in just a couple of steps. So under work history tab, you should be able to modify your NOC code if you haven't received ITA yet. And please ensure that your primary occupation is also updated with your NOC code. And these are the instructions for your reference in order for you to update your primary NOC code as well. I've provided all the related information into the description box below. You can check it out to learn more about these new changes. So anyways guys, that was a quick update regarding some changes, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.